Good afternoon, family. Today I want to talk about self-sabotage. And what I mean by self-sabotage is all of those things that we do to ourselves or don't do that prevent us from being where we want to be. Whether it's having that new job, being able to retire, building wealth. It could be a number of things, just you name it, whatever it is that you want that somehow you have not gotten it. And a lot of people call victim, say that they're the victim. Oh, I didn't get that job because, I couldn't go because someone didn't pick me up, or I didn't get that job because they liked that person better. I think for myself, and this is speaking for myself, for me, my problem is complacency, comfort, and procrastination. Those are the three biggest things, and I'm looking at my notes here so that I can remember. Sometimes we get so complacent with the way things are. It's our norm. I'll just give you an example. Just about every week, I have this list of things I say I need to do. Like, for example, today I took off. Okay? I'm going to do this, and this. And I'm thinking it's about 1 o'clock now. I haven't looked at the clock. I did get out and do a couple of things. I, freshened up my chickens' water, gave them something to eat, checked on them, things to that nature. But I still need to put seeds in the beds, seeds in the ground. I need to rake up some of these leaves. I want to use it as leaf mulch. And the funny thing about it is, it's to my advantage because it's been so warm that I've been able to do so. But I keep making excuses. I keep putting it off because I'm comfortable, And that goes to the procrastination. I'll do it tomorrow. Procrastination truly is a stealer of time. So I've made a commitment to myself that when I have a list, especially on the weekends, I may not be able to get to it through the week because I have a job, but on the weekends, I have made a commitment to do whatever I put on my list, okay? One weekend, man, I got so much done. I was so surprised, but it's just a matter of getting up and doing it. One weekend, I made bread. Oh my God, I was able to wash and fold all the clothes. Wow. I did so many things. I made pepper jelly. You name it, I did it. So I have gotten out of the way of self-sabotaging myself. Now, I'm not an expert. I do backslide sometimes. But when I am aware that I'm sitting here and watching too much YouTube, I immediately get up and do whatever it is I need to do for that day. All right? So I was outside for a couple of hours, moving around, checking on my chickens, pulling weeds, doing things to that nature. But there is still a lot to do. And just prior to me coming out to do this video, because I knew I wanted to do this video, I'd watch YouTube for 2 hours. Imagine what I could have gotten done in those 2 hours if I had not sat down and got caught up in YouTube videos. Because I don't watch a lot of TV, but I definitely do watch a lot of YouTube. So for me, I'm a victim of the crime of being a self-sabotager. I self-sabotage myself. I'm a participating I'm a perpetrator in my self-sabotage. And that's something I'm working on. And I know whoever watched this video, there are a lot of people out there that are just like me. We are aware that we're self-sabotagers, and then you have those who always cry victim. It's never their fault. They never take any responsibility. But a long time ago, I committed to myself to take responsibility, because it's nobody's fault for me having or not having anything. Because I know when I put my foot forward and I make a decision to do something, it's achievable. Okay, if I can't do it in the way that I intended or planned to do, I kind of adjust and see how can I do it a different way, or what's another path to through my journey, right? So I would like to have you guys take a look at yourselves and think back and see what it is that you're doing to self-sabotage yourself. Whether it's in relationship, job, making more money, being able to retire, being able to buy that home, being able to send a kid to college, whatever it is. Just take a look, stop being a victim, and let's do it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps someone to just realize or just think twice on how we treat ourselves, as far as how we sabotage, how we're participating in self-sabotage. So with that being said, I am going to get in my garden, get some seeds down, and try to make the most of this little bit of light that I have left for today. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one.